my favorite people better than Twitch users and all of that. Um, so yeah, let's continue and maybe submit to it. Music interpolation. Top 10 anime betrayals. Yeah, I think it's working. I do have the correct window. This guy is a sellout. Nah. And hey, Ristan. Hey, Tristan, it's been a while. Hello. So, target of the paper. So yeah, next music to lower down. I do need to do something about that. But I don't know why. What? This is kind of complicated. Next music to lower down. Because, okay, we have a music that gets higher, okay? We have the other one that should get lower after that. And, well, this is the current music that should fade out, okay? But the problem is, if we have another music that is cutting the fade in of the first, what's going on? Actually, that's not the problem, I think, right now. Next music to lower down index. Yeah, let's say we have that. Let's put that to -1. Maybe it's going to be fine. It's not fine. It's actually never going here. Why is that? It is going here. This is 1. So this is working actually. Is it? No, the best viewers are already here. Go away. Which? Things are weird. If something is different from -1. So if this is different from -1, I can probably have targets volumes that be minus that. Something like that. Well, if that isn't I and that. Because if it's the same, it's just not changing anything. Only now? Wait, only now? Why? Why is it only happening now? That's so weird. It is so weird. -1, that equals I. So like what were the volumes before? I guess I do have a target volume somewhere. If it is not equal, yeah. And next music. Oh, wait. Is the delay that big? Oh, new collaborator. Yeah. Oh, so that means she accepted, I guess. What? Yeah, okay. Um, hmm. Next music to lower down index. If this is not -1. I mean, this looks good to me. Increasing 0. Increasing 0. So yeah, this is happening at the same time, and it shouldn't happen at the same time. It shouldn't be, there shouldn't be a transition at the same time. And this is because of that 100%. But I don't know why. So let's break point. This is 1. Why is that 1? Why is that even 1? Where am I setting that? Wait. Oh, at the beginning. Oh. Why? Why? Oh. I get it. I get it. Yeah, because it's in a loop. Yeah, of course. Oh, yeah, okay. If current, let's get that. So if current value approx is 0 approx, if it is, then we do that. That's it. That's it. I think that's all. That's all. This is so stupid. Doo-doo. I know this is fine. The end. Okay, I think this is a lot better. What do you think? Do you think like the transitions are good? I think they are. Maybe not good, but better. I do have a problem with nuts, I guess, right now. The end. Okay, I feel like there's some delay. Maybe not. I do feel like the transitions are a bit weird sometimes. So 86, 86, 86. This is actually a perfect match. Is it because I'm using old values? I can... Oh. Oh. Track 2. Check that. Demo 2. Yeah, I'm using old values. That's why it's this way. Let's push. Let's pull, I mean. Oh, I actually already pulled. So funky, punk, synthwave. MX funky then. So actually, yeah, the punk has the punk version. That's good. Synth, and I guess this one is funky. Yeah, it's going to be the normal one. Okay, now it should be a lot better because it should match, basically. It should match, which wasn't the case before. That's why something felt wrong, but... Yeah, it's a lot better now. Yes, yes. Yes. Okay, this is good. Okay, so this is fixed. Yeah, I'm afraid... Yeah, I'm going to push that because it's necessary. Really, I guess. I just hope Afonso is going to, well, not have much issues and, you know, problems with Git, basically. Message... Oh yeah, I banned this guy. So yeah, music fade interpolation fixed. And now it's actually good. Thanks God. This was a big problem. Just fix the interpolation between zigs. I also hope you won't have, well, just that. Basically, right now, the new music fades in, and once it's at max volume, the previous one fades out. And I think it's a lot better. Okay, so I do have to fix that when buying an item. Yeah, okay. And I think after that, I can actually put that on itch.io and start having reviews and playtests and stuff. And then we have all of the art integration, SFX2. I do wanna see. Surprise! Thanks for the follow. Synthesize le chat, les chats. Is that French? Yeah. Art, assets, props. Okay, there's nothing right now. But yeah, if you have time, well, yay! I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I'll be talking to my artist, but basically, if you hear me right now, when you have time, please give me some stuff in, well, fill in the drive. Just put what you have on the drive. Oh wait, I'll put it right now. Have all good, all good. Just it's hard having a big picture of things. Well, yeah. So right now I'll be doing that and putting on itch.io right now. Hey. For the sound, I actually have a sheet. I think he must have made it in. If it is organized properly, it should be in audio. And it is. Incredible. And yeah, I do have a list of SFX to integrate and stuff, which is really nice. And I already have my sounds in Git directly. So what I'm just gonna do is data. What's that? Checkbox. So this is going to be my to do. Well, done. I can just copy that. So these ones should be good. I should actually remove the demo ones. So yeah, Afonso told me that actually. Oh my god. Oh my god. Customer type, punk. How? That's what? So demo 1, track 1. I can modify that. So track 1, demo 1, demo 2, synthwave. Ah! I don't even think I need this. So track. I think I'm just going to remove that track 1. It isn't used. Empty track, this is good. New track, well, this is the JSON I'm using to test. Multi-track test. Yep. I mean, I can use this one, but at the same time, I already have something working right now. So if I have something working, then I can just remove it. Track editor. Oh. 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 Maybe try out the UI bugs plus font I sent you. Yeah, I can do that indeed. Well, I think, well, yeah, maybe it's because we have different responsibilities. But basically, I just wanna fix that first because it makes it really weird. The gameplay, I mean. Because basically that just destroy the whole point of an effect, of an item. So I just want to fix that so that gameplay wise it is done. That's basically the, well, I guess you do have the game over and some cost and stuff, but it's basically the, yeah, one of the last things gameplay wise, and that's why then I'm going to put in the art and all of that. So that, yeah. But yeah, totally. Take your time, no problem. So, yeah, I just want to clean some things to track editor. This one is a lot of stuff. Track. Yeah, this is the one. So I guess, what if I put that to now? It's just not going to work anymore. I know that. We know that. We all know that. But I'm going to fix some problems I had. So actually, it's a big problem if I remove it. Because I don't have the correct music right now. Well, I guess I can load. Wow. Okay, so if I remove this one, I'm just going to have a lot of problems. So let's actually put this one back. Okay, sorry. Sorry for wanting to delete you. Difficulty 2, this one is nice. What about track 2? No problem, nice. New track, JSON. Synthwave timing tests. I guess I can remove this one too. I can keep it for Alfonso just in case. Is that all? Was I even using... I guess that's fine. What if I run? I mean, it seems to be fine. Nice. Probably be better to move the JSONs. difficulty x.json into difficulty solver under tracks, just to make sure it's separated properly from the test ones. I think we do that. Okay. So git commit some test tracks removed. Ah. Okay. Oh. When buying an item that modifies chance of customer type to come, it doesn't work right away. This is because in the shop, I know how to solve that. And I mean, I know about the bug even though I didn't have it before. And this is because when you buy an item, the stage is already generated. So what I need to do is stage settings. I should have a shared reference, so that should work. It's not a duplicate. So actually, shop manager. Oh, I wasn't in the correct one. Do I have next stage settings? That should be fine. Okay, so when I buy an item, on item about, if actually update shop, what is that? Yeah, it's money. It's not shop. Update money. Label. Just in case. And yeah, on item sold. If this item is, never mind, for effect in item that effects, if effect is not null and effect is, actually, do I have to check for null? I think I do. Yeah, I was thinking about it as well. Give me a question about how it's set up. What's the timing like between one customer leaving and another one showing up? They don't necessarily show up on bit. The actual transition sometimes happens off bit. Oh, right. Which I think is still okay. I mean, that's right. Probably easier. It makes me... Okay. Okay, first. Okay. Chance for custom type. If it is that, then thanks, whoa, for, whoa, 570. Thanks. Thanks for the follow. Wooden books. I really have to lower that down. I hope it's fine for you. Yeah, I actually want to do that right now because I feel like I'm never gonna do it if I don't. Wait, is that Nightbot? I actually don't. No, it's actually Twitch. It's actually something on Twitch. Ah, that's yippee! Oh, hello. It's actually what is that? Recompense the spectator? No. Oh, that. Wait, where is it? Modify. I actually have multiple of those. And that's box 2. I actually have 2 boxes. Why? Which one am I using? I reduced the volume of the wrong one. Which alerts? Okay, it's ending by this. Okay, sorry. I'm just gonna send something. Okay, there is a big sound. What about this one? Yeah. So I guess it's this one. I hope. It's already 20%. The volume is 20%. Oh. Is it? Oh, maybe that's the image. No, volume. Wait. Oh! Oh. It's supposed to be this one. 10%. Okay, let's try again. It's still so big, why? 1%. It's not changing anything. What's wrong? Dance. It's not dance. What if I remove the sound? Presentation. Okay, I removed the sound. Saved. Tests. Good. There's no sound anymore. I don't know what was the thing with the sound, but... So basically I might not see if you follow or something like that, but it's better than breaking my ears, I think. I hope. And yours too, right? So let's just remove sounds. Volume. Oh, you actually have a volume for the video too. But that's a GIF. Okay. Removing everything, every sound I see. Because it's just going to break my ears. Break my ears. Train de la hype. Go away, demon. Channel point. I do want to try this one. 1%. Oh, it's actually good. Actually, 4% is good. Let's put 3%. So I'm still going to have the sound for channel points. And for objective, let's put 3%. Can you actually see? Or not? Like if I test. Oh, you can't see actually. But now you can. So for example, that may not be that may not be a very good idea to show you this, knowing that I have the source and everything. But yeah, now I can do that. Okay, so that's good. So now it's not going to break my ears, and yours too. Good, yay! That's a true progress. So effect that's... Oh, it's 4 AM. Maybe I should lower down the volume a bit. Mine, not the, Twitch. So if this is chance for custom type. Prob ratio added. Oh shit. I just realized. Chance for customer type. I also have to change that, like the name is wrong. Okay. So yeah, it's actually a lot more tricky than what I thought, because the percent is related to the default value, right? Like it's a plus times. So okay, refresh. Refrain to have a DM focus mode when gameplay is going. Is background too bright? Crop sprite invasion. It's not a bad idea, but I couldn't tell how hard it is to set. Unless it's really clashing with the visuals, I kinda like not having it ding too much. If we're doing that stuff when the environment works as a metronome. You see the things bounce around. If it isn't too distracting, then it's not entirely necessary. Alright, let's skip. So basically, Kuro, are you still watching? What I was thinking about some kind of focus mode is... Well, it's probably... Your idea is probably better. Because it's like... Okay, yeah, I can actually make a shader about that. To modify the saturation. But basically I have a sprite thing, and I can change the modulation, and I can just basically put that darker to have some focus mode. Well, maybe not black, but And the idea is that the player should be able to modify a value in the settings to change that. Basically, I just thought about Osu and it works kind of the same. So that's why. But we can also, instead of putting black like that, we could also... Well, basically right now it's only the modulation to change, right? So it's really easy. But we do have to put something in the settings. That sounds good. Okay. So yeah, as you want. As you want. Let me check something. Okay. I was punishing sprites. Okay. Distracted again. So what am I even doing? Yeah, I got distracted too. So I have to remove the probabilities and add them again. I think it's the only way. to get the default value back. That's so stupid. I should have kept the default values. Yeah, I should have made a class. So at the back, effect dot. What was it? Stage, Genie, stage settings. Ah, next stage settings dot. Because the idea is to do that directly in this, right? Yes, proba, potential customers, type probas. Oh, I actually have that. Type probas. Actually, I can do that easily. Yeah, but then I'm normalizing stuff. So it's actually kind of complicated. Yeah, I actually had that, actually. Kind of, maybe not. Yeah. Let's remove that. So, all potential customers. Apply. Type propose modifications from the player, maybe? Player state, yeah. So, up. I do all of that. And here I'm modifying things. So if this is different, I can. Boop. Oh yeah, it's a times, it's not a plus. So actually it's fine. Actually it's fine. So I guess I'd like to put that in the other place. Yeah. So I don't have to do that multiple times at multiple places. That's good. So we have customer type. Wait, do we? Actually, wait, what? Do we? Player items. Play products. I is not declared. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just this should be inside. This is a big... This is very nested. This is nasty. Nested and nasty. So now I should have something like apply modification in player. Apply, maybe not player actually. Oh, in this one. I mean the what? Stage generator. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is a problem. This is horrible. So let's have the types and type probers. Ah, that should be fine now. I hope. I just have to test if it is really working or not, I guess. So let's stage generator dot apply. It's not stage generator, it's stage settings. Apply all of that. And now we have player. We have customer type. We don't. Boom. And one less variable. Woo! Type proper. This is fine. Okay, now it makes sense. Now the arguments make sense. Type proper. Wait, that's supposed to be reversed? Yeah. Okay, this is done. And I'm realizing it's pointless. It's pointless. It's pointless. What did I even do that for? So yeah, I guess I do want to apply modification. This one is going to be for actually, for what should it be? Type? Yeah, for a specific type. So we have type. We have type prober, which is a float, and it should be that, I suppose. I guess I do have the effect, or maybe item. Wait. No, that's just an effect. So yeah, and this effect should be this. Type isn't used. Type prober. Blah 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 blah. Get type prober. Modification for effect. Customer type. What's the maximum amount of time you can stream on Twitch? Twitch max stream length 48 hours. I guess it's fine. I guess it's fine. So customer type. This is just the type. So yeah, I do want to do the multiplication and the addition here, basically, because in case I change it later, for example. I don't know how, but and now I should return. Yeah, actually it doesn't really serve any good purpose, but it is. And I don't even need that if effects.type equal. It's kind of stupid. I uploaded stuff. Thanks. I'm probably going to replace the characters from the. Well, I guess you polish them up too, right? Oh, yeah. That's so good. Thanks. And yeah, this should actually just be return. Type probar effect. So basically I'm just modifying that in one place, and this is here. Apply type modification. So that is equal to that. I don't even know why I'm doing that. Okay, good. Yeah, I guess I'm using that in case I modify the array too. And I do need the original values. Maybe not the static. I forgot to upload the stand, just did that too. Thanks. So this one. Stage settings. Top manager. Yeah. Stage settings. all potential customers. No? No. Type pro pass. Well, this is the settings. So if item is chance for customer type, then I just item dot type. Now I have the different types here. I can find item dot type. So I have the index, and I should basically get the chances. The effect and proba type. Oh, yeah, this is not going to work. For item, for effect in item that's effects. If effect is that, then we get the index of the type, and then we get type proba. So this is next stage settings that type probas index. Boop. Boop. And I do have the effect too. I do want to like new proba. Is it actually helping? It's just so long. I don't know. Let's keep it like that. So now it should actually not. It should be the opposite. Oh god. Modification. I'll add and remove maybe. Because that's when we sold the item. So I actually want to remove it in this case. And boop, boop. This one I add, and now I can. So this is times, but it's minus. Oh, actually no, it's divided by. Oh, this is. It makes sense. It's making sense. Yeah. Because, yeah. I like that. It's not removing, it's dividing. So this one should now be working to somewhere in this world. It's not updating if you don't modify the file. But I do that a lot, like fixing, well, creating, well, calling a function that doesn't exist yet, but that I'm planning to make. So right now I'm removing, and when I'm buying an item, I'm gonna do the same, but instead I'm adding. Add type probability modification for effect. Let's do that. Okay, And the only thing now is that I want to update the probabilities. How can I do that? Wait, how is it set? Next stage info. Next stage info label. Where am I modifying that? Oh, there. Update next. Oh, yeah, I already had everything according to the Keikaku. So I'm updating. I'm updating, and now I just have to test, and it should be alright. Oh, it's still playing. Oopsie. Oopsie. Oopsie, 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 whoopsie. I mean, who doesn't like good music? I do have to fix that. Basically, right now, my types are called synthwave. Okay, cool. Okay, this is actually 0. Yeah, you do have to fix that. It's the money. So many problems. Okay, basically, how do you want me to call the types of your characters? Wait, which one did I fix? Chance to appear. Duration. Money, timing window. I want to modify the chance for customers. Is it that much to ask for? 1 merchant slot. Ah! Yeah, I forgot about that. Shop items. Let's call this one. One to 5 to 5. Oh, I do have to buy that. Add money and remove. Yeah, I do have to buy that. Okay. And I guess let's have. Let's put 2 instead. And let's. Well, right now we are testing, so let's just put 0. And yeah, I do have a problem with the music. So this is plus money minus. So let's get that. Minus money. Plus money for normal. And now this is chance. So what if I buy? It's not working. Invalid access type. Item. Oh, it's effect. Yeah. No, this is not what I want. Money. Chance. And it's updated. It's updated. This is not a lot, though. Yeah, this is less than what I thought it would be. Chance. Let's go to the shop and modify that. Actually, that should be fine. Okay, so it's working. Oh, I didn't test when I sell the item. I do have to sell. Oh, yeah, the same bug is actually going to occur. So, item. Yeah, it's effect. Phew. I'm glad I saw that. So, plus money minus. Merchant slots. Now it's working. It doesn't crash anymore, and this is chance. This is merchant slot. So yeah, this is working. And I actually, for the merchant slot, I mean, right now it's an item, but with Afonso we did talk about. Oh no, no, never mind. Yes, so we going with the slot ID where you can have one item on the root / side of the stalls, so bottom of the stall, so bubble design, right? Yeah, I was thinking about going with the slot ID, well, because of the art restrictions, I guess, because that's how Snafox is doing it. Okay. But basically, I want more than 3 slots. Like at least 4. So that the base idea is that basically slots shouldn't matter. You can expand it to 5. That could be great if we can increase the size of the inventory of the player. But basically what I was thinking about is well, the problem is that we have too few items and modificators to, like, we don't have enough variety, like diversity, to actually have a slot system like that really works. So if we do it, it would be just for the art. And that means that if we don't really want to have any impact gameplay-wise with it, it means that yeah, basically the player is going to have 3 different items, and the shop is going, well, 3 different items with 1 slot each, and the item is only going to show 1, well, the items in the shop are always going to be the same slot. The slot that the player doesn't have, basically. Or like one of the slots the player doesn't have if you make more. By separating main body of the stall and the floor decoration. It would be really weird to stack a bunch of decoration, though, art-wise. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's why it would be mainly for the art. because gameplay-wise, I think we don't have enough diversity. I do have to add more items, but yeah, well, that would be yeah. Basically, if we make it into a gameplay thing and randomize slots, then the player is going to have items he can't buy, and that's just going to be frustrating. Or like, well, basically, he's going maybe to have, well, actually, I don't know. I think it's good to have only items for slots you haven't bought anything for yet. And maybe you can upgrade a current effect too that you have equipped, like Alice. Alice? I don't have the reference. I guess you're talking about the video game, but I don't. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I don't have the reference. I haven't really watched Hades much. Like people play Hades, so. But upgrade the current effects. I wonder. Okay, no worries. Just another roguelike. Yeah. Um, it's it's a first or third person, right? I think. Oh, never mind. Not that wrong. It's a top-down, 2D top-down. Is it? Well, actually, maybe not. Wait. I don't. I guess. No, it's a 3D top-down. Yeah, okay. Maybe the randomizer will generate items from every slot. So there's a guaranteed chance of at least one you don't have. Well, I mean, it depends on what I want because I can do things however I want, and I can generate items. Basically, that's items with a slot that the player doesn't have yet. And if it is on a slot you have, then you can increase. Well, then if you can increase, like upgrade your items, then you lose the. So what? Yeah, okay. So there are like two problems with the fact of being able to increase the stats of an item. First, you lose the selection kind of thing, like which one do you want to sell to get a new item that is better, and because you can just keep the same one and upgrade, right? So you lose that choice, that decision, that decision making that I think is important. And the second one is that if you upgrade the same thing, for example, if you increase the duration of nuts, then it's actually not going to be very useful because then at one point it's going to be too much because of the stats of our game, because it's not an RPG. If it was like an RPG or something like that, then we can increase the attack however we want. But it's like a rhythm game. So what stat are you going to increase that you want to keep increasing a lot? Even, well, if you go like for an easier setting, for example, you increase the nut duration, but you reduce the money. Then what, you're going to increase the nut duration again, but like it's already, if you increase it multiple times, well, at one point it's going to be enough, right? And the reverse is also true. Like if you are in a hard difficulty, if you reduce the node duration, then at one point it's going to be too hard. So you don't want to increase. We want it to be more static plus strategic. I do have some problems with the money right now, though. I'd probably like some um basically with Afonso and all of that we talked about, a game over screen. And basically at the end of each day you have to pay money, and if you don't have any money left, then you lose. And the problem with that is that I don't know how much how much money I should remove from the player. And I don't know the cost of the item. I can get the amount of knots in a track, and I was maybe thinking of scaling that to this amount of points. Of knots, I mean. But yeah. Or maybe scale it with the amount of money that the player has earned, like for example 2 stages ago. But it's a bit confused right now. Sounds like something you'd have to try random numbers with and then adjust as you test. I don't think so. I mean, I guess I can test for 10 stages. Well, actually, I can't test because Afonso is making the tracks right now. So I actually can't test because I don't have the data. Yeah. I just don't have the data yet, so I can't do that. I'll be right back. Just getting some water. Actually, little ad break, I guess. And I'm just going to, in the meantime, put some ender lilies and... Ooh, ad break. Hydrated, yeah. It's a dish. Here we go. Oh, actually, okay, I was muted, my bad. Um, yeah, I was saying let's add a lot, and that I had to do that, and that for upgrading items, I don't want to prevent adding a lot of new features directly. Boo. Yeah, I do have to fix that. But I guess I'm going to play a new music anyway. A calm one. When integrating the sound, so I guess it's fine. Money, duration. So yeah, money. Money. Chance. Yeah, this is a lot. I like the accent effect. Sick. Thanks. This is actually from Godot. It's just a BB code effect. So yeah, now we should have a punk. I think. I'm not sure. And we actually don't. Oh, actually, this is a punk. Yeah, I think I should definitely change the... Yeah, this is a punk. This is not a punk. Is it? Actually, the music is... Is it? I feel like the music is fitting. It's just that punk... anyway, this is working. This is working. So let's just undo that and run type. Neutral. Let's just do 1.5. And... But yeah, the rainbow effect is from Godot BB code. And you just have rainbow. So if you want, you can just, you know, use that. Okay. And now this is gonna add a UI folder in the assets folder, yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can do it. You just add whatever you want, yeah. Like it's the same on Discord. If you need another channel, for example, to talk with your friend or anything, you can just, you admin. I guess your friend isn't admin, but you can. Let's commit. I guess let me just put her admin. I guess it's someone you really know, right? So team member and studio artist. Hey, here we go. So chance for customer type now updated when changing items, I guess. So this is fixed, and I add item slots. I did write it right. There are 4 different slots, so maybe more, but at least 4. Adding a game over stage costs. I do want to do that because it's like gameplay related, but I do have to. This one is going to be last. Unique effects. Let's change the priority. Gonna add Twitch. Okay. Setting for putting an offset. This is nice to have. Link Qt. At this point, this is a nice to have. So, yay! Reducing the amount of tasks we should have. So SFX, art, game over. There's a set of 4 items in the asset folder. Right now, in case you wanna mess with decor, that effect stats instead. What? Maybe there's a set bonus if you get 2 matching and 4 matching. What do you mean? Wait. Oh. 4 items in the asset folder. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Talking about that, I guess. Do I mess with? Decode that effects starts instead. What? Maybe there's a set bonus if you get. Yeah, okay. In props, it's lights. Yeah. Basically that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Gotcha. Okay, so this should be attached to the stand, right? Okay. Okay, this is good. Do we have icons for that? I didn't think it would be like that. Maybe. Wait. I guess I can use that directly as icons. But probably cut down icons right now. Okay. Yeah, just cutting things down a little, like cropping maybe for this one. That kind of stuff could be alright. And make icons. Okay. Thanks. You don't have to spend a lot of time on that. I'm going to... Yeah, if you update something from the drive, tell me so that I can update it into the game. And... UI. Okay. Okay, bar. Okay, right now... Oh, yeah, it's for the results, right? If you have the other... you showed me like some placeholder screens. I think if you can send them, it would be like really nice too. So that I can at least, have some reference. I'm uploading everything right now. Nice. Thank you. So until you do, I'm just going to take care of the audio probably. And then probably the art. As the audio is important. So the menu, who cares about the menu? Column. This one is game start. While player is in main menu and in column section of the game. Oh, it's the main menu. Okay. Yeah. So start. What about the stop? Stop, I do have that. Music manager, stop. New music, no. If I do that, it's supposed to set directly. So if that equals no, or or that, basically. Let me just try again. So basically I shouldn't have to use that actually. I'm fixing a bug that shouldn't occur. Wait, what? Why? I guess I don't even need that though. It feels like the stop isn't called, but I think it is. He's playing false. Yeah, it is playing. Okay, should have transition through. It shouldn't be the current one. Whoa. I mean, this is very different. Yeah, I mean, I can probably... Yeah, 0 approx is wrong. Actually, this is correct. Never mind. So this is no. So it goes here. Oh, now it works. Now it actually works. I don't know what happened. Yeah, it's working now. What happened? Oh, I know. I was testing with his approx 0, but it's actually not that. It's actually... If this is approx minus, maybe. If it's not approx thing. Is it? I don't know. In any case, this is weird. Let's have something unique, I think. As like set new music. Yeah, if that is no. Then we do something target volumes. For E in target volumes. This is going to be the same. It's like just minus 60 and then we return. That's it. Now it should work. Yeah. Basically it was when I skipped, when I was interpolating between 0 and minus 60 or minus 60 and 0, it wasn't one Well, it wasn't 0 yet, so this returned false, and that means it didn't stop. It never stopped the music. So that's it. Music. So yeah, this is basically a quick fix, I guess. But now I do want to. Basically, when am I doing that? When I'm stopping, right? And when am I stopping? This is a question. Music manager.stop gameplay scene here. Yeah, I guess it's good that I stop. Yeah, actually, this is good that I fixed that. It's just that now, when I am blah blah blah. Music manager. Game manager. Chop generator. Generate shop items. Appear. This is in appear. So should I modify the music manager to maybe have some kind of transition? Or should I add another audio source? I think I'm going to use the music manager because I already have some kind of transition system right now. So it's going to make things easier, I think. This is not going to make things easier. Because I planned this thing with I planned it to work with tracks. So it's not really a music manager, it's more like music track manager. Like with timings, with the beats of the music. So the ideal thing would be to have something apart. Track manager. Audio stream player. I guess I'm going to... I can just put calm in here. Yeah, it's actually so much easier. And... chop. When I appear... I'm having a reference towards the audio stream player. This is a play. Blah, blah, blah. Play. And we stop when it becomes invisible. For now, so we won't have any transition for now, but that's fine. So it fades out. Play on another volume. What do you mean? So this one is actually called audio stream player. Oh, I know why it's so loud. It's because it's not in the music bus. Because I modified the buses here, the volume on of this. Yeah, the thing is, this is still moving because it's using the music bus. Should I move it during the shop thing? I don't think I should, right? I don't know. What do you think, Kuro? Kuro? Kuro Kodairu? Kuro is be right back if you... Okay, okay. What about you then? What do you think? Should I run back? Yes. This is good. Yeah, actually, to all of my viewers, do you think I should keep the synchronization with the calm music? Let's keep it like that for now. You don't have to fix the items. I like it. Oh. I can't... I think it's going to change... Well, the interface we have right now is going to change a lot, so... I think it's cool, but I also think saving it for the storm part could help emphasize for theme more. Yeah. Maybe if we do add some kind of synchronization, it should be a bit different, like less intense, because right now it's like boo, as you can see. So I think posing it for the calm part is best. Okay. Yeah. Less intense, yes. I'm probably going to see a bit more when integrating the art and, well, basically all of what you've decided. So I pushed. What did I push? Transfer customer type. So I have to push again. Scripts. Calm music added, I guess. I suppose. Actually, no. Not yet. Because I do have the main. Yeah, this is ugly. Anyways. I like it ugly. Calm. Music. And yeah, Afonso also wanted me to remove the UI bus, I think. Because everything is UI. So I can do that. Did it? Actually, I should have never done that. Because I think the settings are touching this bus, and when we play the game, it's loading a previous version potentially of the settings. I guess I can update that though. But yeah, I prefer not touching that right now. I don't think, yeah. I'm just going to route that to the SFX. So, autoplay. I guess this is fine. And playing. Loop. This is good. Do I have anything else I want to do? Playing. Suppose. I think this is fine. I really need some transition, I think. Oh, what did I do? Yeah, okay, this is because of the shortcuts, no problem. Some errors, but that's fine. two scenes, and this is calm music added. Okay. Grading SFX. This is done. So now only, well, music, I guess. But I guess music is done. So now menu, I'm going to do it at the end because it doesn't really matter. That's it, excellent. It's actually easier to have that. Because, yeah, it's a bit tricky. So shop, buy and sell. The shop is really easy to manage because we just have a single shop manager in here, and boop, we can just go inside and do stuff. We could try making an erosion shader for the transition, but the only problem is that I only know how to do that in Unity. An erosion shader, what do you mean? For what? Need to watch what it shows. um, Visuals, you mean? Well, I guess you're talking about shader, so visuals. Try the results menu in Coolie. Coolie. Guess you could just change the modulation. Yeah, I mean, I can fade it if I want. It's not a problem. Fade in, fade out. I guess I can even use some... Nice. Translating code from Unity C# to JavaScript can be really fun. Can animate it. Yeah. I mean, you can like have, yeah, the animation player, I guess. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I mean, even, you actually have, actually, what do you have? The animation player? And bit. Oh, yeah, if you want to synchronize stuff with bits, you actually have this animation player, apparently. And yeah, you can basically do stuff, but it's only with the bits. And it's actually not used anywhere because this is not using the Qt bits. Certainly I do it all the time. A lot of great Unity tutorials out there for learning the concepts. Translate them to JavaScript all the time. Yeah, I think especially like shaders is the same everywhere, almost. So like vertex shaders, fragment shaders, compute shaders, even like over rendering things like frame buffers, like concepts, render targets. It's basically the same thing. Because it's using OpenGL, Vulkan, and DirectX under the hood, or even Metal for Mac, I guess, Mac OS. So it's just the same thing. It's just like wrapping stuff, right? But behind the hood, it's the same thing. You only use visual shaders though. Oh. Sub. I mean, I guess in visual shaders, what I don't like is that you can't loop. And like loops are good. That's it. But yeah. I mean, I guess it's not really performant if you have to loop, but sometimes it's necessary, right? For example, if you make a blur shader or like an outline shader, maybe sometimes. If you want to make it bigger, but yeah. So anyways, we have that and shop by. So let's have shop SFX. Should I interrupt the sound? I actually don't know what sound it is. Oh, I actually can't play it. Oh, I can hear. I feel like I want to create another audio stream. Create stream bus. I do feel that way. So when it do on item about. So I guess here I can new audio player audio stream player equal that dot new. Yeah, I can add child. So the goal is to have multiple effects being played at the same time and not like just stopping basically. So if you buy a lot of items, you should have all the sounds. I hope it's good. But the thing is, if we don't do that, we are not going to have something consistent. I mean, well, actually we can. Yeah, actually we can. Stream. Yeah, actually, you know what? Let's do shop SFX. Okay, this is going to route to SFX, I guess. And we have item about SFX, use stream. Item sold SFX. And now we have a reference towards item SFX player. Actually, never mind. Boop, boop. This is item. But actually, it's just play. Yeah, I do have to set the stream. Never mind. So stream equal item about. Yeah, about. And sold is here. Here we go. We can try that. No, we can't. We can't. We have to assign. Shop by. So. Yo, Alfonso stopped by to say hello and check how the stream was going. As you can hear, we have some music. I'm currently integrating the audio. Yeah. And I fixed some issues with the transitions at the beginning and all, as well, as you can see. And when we buy, this is so loud. Okay, this is really loud. But that's because of me. This is going to be alright. Oh, but that's because it's getting reset. My master is getting reset because of my settings. How can I fix that? I think I just have to change my setting myself. I can lower it later too. I just didn't have a ref when doing it. I think, yeah, I actually don't know. I think it's alright if you're not lower it down. This is working. Now let me just... Please update. Yeah, this is good now. The volume is alright. But it's actually a bit, like, not loud enough. But yeah, this is good. Basically, it just modifies the settings and it's good, but we should have a default value that is correct, right? So anyways, we have the two of them. I guess the art is gonna take me a lot of time. Because it's like different layouts and stuff. I guess it depends if there's someone else. I guess we do have two artists, so if there's someone that can make the layout. But I guess... I mean, I did set a constant resolution, so there shouldn't be any scaling problems right now. Is it the sound files that are too loud, or is it the engine stuff? Basically, for the files to have a... I think it's the files. It's the files, because if you have a normal volume in Godot, it's going to be like really loud. So I have to manually, lower that in Godot. I think. Yeah, because, for example, my master is at 0 dB right now, and if I just play that, like, it's like really loud. For me at least. I did decrease the volume a bit for the chat, I think, but I don't know. But I can, in Godot directly, I should be, instead of decreasing everything, I don't think you should do that. I can lower things down myself somehow. Give it a check. I can lower stuff myself in engine. Because if you... I think it's better to have something directly in the engine. And I guess, yeah, I guess I can actually do it right now. Stage, setting screen. No. So this one. Set audio bus, update volume. Yeah, basically I can just do that here. And I can... Yeah, I'm dividing by 100, and right there I can multiply by something. But yeah, I guess if you modify the audio, it would be still nice to, not have to modify the master directly here in Godot. So as you want, actually. But like, I can basically do what? Do that, and that's dividing the volume by 20. And it should work when shipping. So as you want. Not yet. Hello, Yulivai. Hello. Back to one. Okay. So hitting that. Still gameplay scene. When I hit and that's do inputs. Make customer leave. No. Player controller. This is a player controller. It's probably easier for me to just lower it a bit on my end. I can lower it and push real quick. Okay. I mean, as you want, yeah. I mean, as you saw, I can just put a division, but that wouldn't solve the audio in the editor when you listen to a music file like that. It would only solve it in, when playing the game. Which can be good enough. It depends. Well, I guess you did say you had time. Audio player. Well, not audio player. Stream player. So let's have this one. Let's bind. Oh. Yeah, this is still correct. And let me check back. Item. Yeah, this is SFX. Good. So this one should be SFX2. This one. SFX. We don't have any stream, so we have to set those. So you did say it was okay, good, excellent. Okay, not stream. Okay, good, excellent. I was thinking about the sound of a failed note, and you did tell me that you thought it would be kind of weird because not in sync with the music and stuff. But that means you get no player feedback if you like press too early. Because yeah, basically I can differentiate that, right? Between missing the notes and not missing it and doing it too early. So I guess that's... We'll see that after putting the music first. Unqt finished. I mean, this is not really... But yeah, okay. That's a good point. I was almost worried about it being too many sounds when you were trying to keep the rhythm. Yeah. Yeah, I guess since I added the minimum amount of time, it's kind of better now. When are you sleeping, my guy? Who's sleeping? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Stream equals... It actually depends on the result. Bro. I do want to finish some stuff before that. Results. What? Oh, why? Oh yeah, because I did have that problem before. Yeah. I didn't have a named enum, so I couldn't do that. Now I can. So result.scope. Ready? I mean, I can probably just convert that. No, never mind. I don't want to play it if it's like a failed nut, right? Maybe I can just... If this isn't fail, then I just have that. So I have okay, I have good, I have good again, then I have excellent. And now I can... So I have an array. And can I access that array? Ew, it's not cached. Ew. It's not optimized. Creating an array on the heap like that. Streams. But yeah, we do O1. Easily. Yeah. So Qt results -1. Instead of having so many matches and stuff. I didn't set the streams. Yeah, I was thinking, there's no sound. That's a bit weird. Okay. I actually don't have it. Okay. Not hit. I do. Yeah, maybe I should actually have multiple streams just in case. But I mean, that's fine. I didn't know what to think about the sounds at first, but it was because I was not in sync. Yeah, okay. Okay. So the notes have been added. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I did want to add the art too tonight. Like, I mean, I guess I can. What's that? Oh. Shop and buy. Oh, did you modify Afonso? I got a test out still as well. They're weird because they have to push through the song enough, but not take over. Okay, okay. I mean, I also push the volumes change for the shop stuff. Yeah, okay. I mean, the volume is like in general, it's like not only the shop, it's like the music too. To me, the music is too loud if I don't reduce it. Like everything is basically too loud for me. So if you reduce the sound of the shop only, then you know, like the music is going to, when in comparison, there's a comparison, basically. In comparison, there's a comparison. It's still too loud for me. The icons for the decoration we have so far are done. Hey, thanks. Thanks, thanks. That's great. I guess I only have the menu now for the sound. Alfonso, do you have anything else sound-wise? Or is that really all? Because I guess I'm gonna do that really quickly to really finish with the sound. Button, option, credit, quit. Actually, I can. Oh, it's complicated because when I click on something, it's... I guess I should keep the sound, but like when I play, it's like leaning into another scene. So... So what should I do? I guess for now, let's just have that. And this is going to be button. Menu, cancel. What's supposed to be cancel? Move, select, start. Wait, what? Cancel and start. Okay. Proceed to be pretty loud because that's essentially max volume, but it shouldn't be unlistenably loud. But volume could be around 70% though, I guess. I don't know. To me, well, to me it's like too loud, I think 70%. Because, yeah, like when you click a menu option and when you go back. Oh, okay. You mean when you click? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I get it. And select is like when you highlight a different option. Okay. Okay. What's start? Is it? Wait. Is it when you start the game? There's a stage. Yeah, okay. And select. Wait. Cancel is... Okay. Select is when you click on something. Cancel is when you remove a boolean, a checkbox, basically. Yeah, let's have a checkbox. You have a checkbox. Select is when you click on the checkbox. Cancel is deselecting the checkbox. And move is, for example, when you have a thing with different options, right? Select is just a generic select. Like when you go into the options or whatever. Cancel is like going from settings to main menu. Okay. Move is like D-pad up in the menu. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, so let's start by that maybe. So we have start game. Yeah, I guess it's better to have this here. So start game audio stream player. Actually, never mind. Yeah. Start game audio player, audio stream player. And the thing is that now, so this is an start. This is SFX. I guess that's it. And we have the reference. And now when I start game, I go here and well, actually before that probably, maybe. Start game audio player, play. Here it is. No. There are no cheap viewers. All of my viewers are really expensive and their organs cost a lot. Start. I guess this is done. I can try that. So yeah, it's working. So this one is done. Can I? Oh, what did I do? So basically, trap sfx slash not sfx slash start sfx added. Now it's basically when I click on anything else, option credit quit, you're telling me there's a sound. But the thing is, when we quit, there's no sound, is there? Because we quit. But I'm still going to add it because I think in WebGL it doesn't work. So yeah, I should probably hide that actually. Quit should just get here. Let's add button clicked. Yeah. As soon as the audio engine will just stop and it doesn't play a sound, but not sure. Yeah, I think too. But in WebGL, I think you have no quit button. I mean, in WebGL, I think you can't quit. So in that case, since you can't quit, it's going to play the sound. But I think in this case, I should just remove the button, right? I should just hide it in the WebGL version. So button. So this is a player. This one should have. So this one is select. And basically, this is. Well, I mean, I'm not doing that. I do have the credit button. That's probably right then. No need for it to be there. Okay. Let's just check go to WebGL detects. But yeah. Where's that get name? Let me know if you think the names are confusing, by the way, because I was struggling a bit on how to describe this action. Yeah, it's a bit... Well, start is alright, I think. A select option could maybe be highlight? Highlight? I think it should be open menu, basically. Well, how you were describing it to me, I guess. Select. Yeah, select is like when you open something, right? Like opens settings menu, right? I mean, it's move. Yeah, move, highlight. Yeah, I think highlight could be okay. I think a setting change is like really specific, right? But that would be like very explicit. Like for example, menu open, menu close, setting change. In our case, but I guess if you want to be more general, then it's a bit complicated. Mm. So it's playing, and yeah, I did want to really quit button. I did want to do that. So basically we have it's actually just a if. Actually just need a if. So if it's equal, then I have quit button that's visible equals false. And actually, I don't know if it's going to change the layout. If it's going to change the art, maybe that's not good. I can't run WebGL. No remote debug export presets. Oh, okay. I do need to add that. I have to disable something. Well, I'm not saving resources actually, so this problem doesn't exist. It's a problem I'm thinking about. Encryption. I mean, I guess that's fine. Now I can run that. And I don't have the quit button. But I mean, do I have any sound? Yeah, I do. And this is very loud because I don't have the settings in there. Okay. Anyways, we do have that. Button click audio player. Yeah, button click. I guess this one is alright. What about the settings? So many things. Sliders, options. Let's have that. And so this is when I leave, when it appears, and when it disappears. Boop, boop, boop. Leave audio stream, audio player. This is not proof. What was that? Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. In any case, leave player, this should be played, and this is working. Woo! Change. This one is going to be the move, I suppose. And yeah, I'm basically going to add it to everything that has a script right now. So export audio player. Boom. And when a value is changed, or yeah, I guess when it has ended, right? In any case, let's play. What about when the drag is starting? An item selected. I suppose it's the same one. Yeah, okay. Item selected, save. Same, I mean. Whoa, I can't speak anymore. Boo, boo, boo. Button. Key. Oh. Yeah, so here. And when we save, I guess. Okay, so we do have a lot of stuff now. And the only thing left to do is copying the audio stream and linking that. It's the same script. Ooh. I just tested the audio and yeah, it sounds louder in game than the actual audio file. In game, and what about Godot? What about the editor? Like outside of the game, but inside the editor. Like the calm music. I think the calm music is relatively alright, but probably because it's the calm music. Way louder in game in the editor than in the editor to me. Okay. In that case, just check the settings, but like yeah, try updating your settings, I guess. through the settings menu. But if it doesn't work, then I don't know. I have to make sure that this is assigned to the correct change. This is not SFX, I guess. Leave. I guess leave is SFX too. Yeah, it's SFX, right? Not UI. Just confirming answer. Game settings, I put everything to max. Oh, you do? It should be how the file sound. No. No. In the file setting, if you put that at max, then it's 200%. Like 100% is in the middle. That's why. So yeah, that's why you have it louder in the game than in the editor. I guess the editor being louder is kind of because of me too, because I'm like, even YouTube, I'm lowering it down there. So maybe it's also just me. I think that's a bit confusing. Usually 100% is max, and the sliders shouldn't go that loud because then everything starts beeping. Okay, then I mean I can modify that. I can modify. So I just have it right there, so volumes. I mean, I guess I just have to modify this, actually. Wait, is it actually updated automatically? It doesn't seem like it is. Volume, this is updated. Why is it updated? Oh, probably because value changed. I mean, because of this rate. So volume. Yeah, I guess I can just put that to 100. But yeah, I guess, yeah, I think that's fine. And yeah, no, it's 100%. Oh no. Oh. Actually, I can do that. What? It's actually working now. I just had some weird experience with this button. Yeah, this is what I thought. So actually, let's unselect it. So if it is not captured, okay, if it is captured, then you have that, and you have focus mode equal focus all, focus none, focus none. Let's try that. Yeah, now it's working. I guess there's a little problem with... I guess I should disable the button instead. So like disabled equals true, and then I have is captured, and this becomes false. I mean, you still shouldn't have to have the master at like 20%, but it might be your audio in general. Yeah, that's what I said a bit, because at that point it gets really low to me. Yeah, I mean, I did say for Ender Lilies I had this like really low on YouTube too, and that's because I have my volume mixer like at maximum, which isn't the case when I do other stuff sometimes. So yeah. If it's good for you, then I guess it's good for you. Maybe you can ask that to... Well, actually, I think we can ask that to people that can playtest on itch.io soon. Oh, it's because it's release. It shouldn't be release. Input. If it is something, if that is, then we return. We should get someone else to test it. Yeah. I'll keep checking it though to be sure. Okay. Don't want it to be just some weird setting on my side. Yeah, I think it's alright. I mean, good at that. I'm releasing. What? Oh yeah, this is because of that. I mean, yeah, focus mode equals focus none, I guess. I guess I'm kind of forced to do that. Because yeah, it's not because of this binding, it's because of basically the UI has some shortcut for that. I mean, now it works well. And that's alright. If with the left mouse it's this way. What if I focus, click? I can't change it with my keyboard. So focus all. Do you need more set decorations, or are you going to see if the slot implementations works first? 2 seconds. Okay, this is good. But I can't do anything anymore now. Oh. Okay, this is good. I'm just pushing the sound, and are you going to so more? Let me check that. So props, right? The decoration icons. I still want to, just wanted to see how it looks like. 4. Honestly, I don't know. Because yeah, I don't think the player is going to have more items than 3. Because I would have to make a button for that. But yeah, it's getting kind of tricky time-wise. So maybe we just 1 day and 13 hours. So 4. Oh, actually, never mind. Oh, oh shit. We do need more. Oh. We do need one more because... Oh, actually, never mind. Basically, I'm thinking about what if the... Well, actually, yeah, we do need that. Basically, what if the player wants to buy multiple items during the same shop session? Are you okay? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Just thinking about what the player might want to buy. And I don't want to restrict things too much. There's now a difficulty 1 and 2. Feel free to test them out. Okay. Just wanted to make sure the idea was good first. The idea about... Oh, I was thinking about making 3 or 5 of these sets. So, for example, right now we have 4 sets, right? So, like, maybe, well, basically one another, potentially. Honestly, I think 5 would be nice. Yay! If we really don't want any problem gameplay-wise, then it would be 6. But, I mean, art-wise, I guess, you know, you still have a lot of stuff, right? So, that will give the player 20 items to choose from. Wait, what? Wait. Oh. Wait. If I have time, I can do this. Yeah, if you have time, but you have to make sure you do have time. So, um, so as in, if you think it's too much, just cut, okay? Because we have less than 2 days left. And wait, what did you say? Like, you mean like 4 or 5 of this set, for example, and then the same for this one, same for this one, and same for this one. So that's why you say 20 items. So like if we have 5 sets, we have 4 items of each. So you have 20. Is that what you're saying? Um, so the lights are one set with a deco. Oh! Um, oh, okay, I get it. I think. Yeah. Yeah, I get it. Oh, okay. Yeah. You buy deco individually and could get a bonus for having matching pieces. Yeah. Um, I mean, honestly, I don't think I'm going to give a bonus because that would mean more programming and stuff and time. But, well, I mean, before the end of the jam, at least. Maybe if we do something after that, then maybe. Um, but yeah, okay, I see better what you mean. Yeah, this is actually a very good idea to have sets like that. Of course. Just wanted to VFX cancel move select. This is actually done, so we actually finished it. Boo, here we go. And integration art. It's going to be okay, 11 hours. So this is going to be really big. But I mean, this is a main part, so UI box. Yeah, we do have the multiple backgrounds now. This is really good. Results screen. Wait, what? Reference. Okay. Oh, okay. I believe in Snowfox speed assets making being able to buy more decor is always a good motivator to also continue playing, even if the main goal is to not fail. I think the game is going amazing. Thanks. I do think we need more visual effects and but I guess we can move things, right? Move the assets in rhythm. That's going to be very helpful. But yeah, we need particles for the QTEs and potentially polishing QTEs too, like because for now the QTEs are just things I made like that, and it's not really good looking either. So if there's a way to improve that too, that would be great. And potentially I wanted to modify the color depending on when you eat. Okay, good, great, excellent. I really want to make particles for them. Oh, please. Yeah, share them. If you have time. I mean, the less stuff for me, the better. I mean, if you want to integrate the art yourself. Oh, but I guess you don't use Git. Oh, I guess you don't have Git. It's where that should be the end of the songs as is, but I was imagining there might be at least a couple I have to do based on what else happens that isn't in the game. Any of points being calculated at the end of rounds. Yeah, that. First game over screen. Yeah, you do have that. Yeah. Yeah, probably. I've used it for Unity Jam before. I need another run through on how to set it up with Godot. I could find a YouTube tutorial. Yeah, I'm sure you can find that, but how are you going to? Well, are you going to send us the shader through Discord? But I guess it's are you using visual shaders? Because you said you were, right? So if you do, is it like an asset file? I haven't used visual shaders in Godot, so I don't really know. If it's an asset file, I guess we can still get it through Discord or something like that. Or even Google Drive. But that means you wouldn't be able to bind things. But I guess I'm the one who made wait, the cuties? Wait, what? Yeah, never mind. Oh, but yeah, the particles are like. I mean, I think it's fine if you can give us the assets. Let's see what I can do. If I can't figure it out, I can just show you concept art plus give you textures and you can try to recreate it. Yeah, I can do that. But also you can probably just copy Godot assets and give it to us if you want. And references and stuff should still work. If you keep the same folder hierarchy at least. So just keep the same folder hierarchy and then we have in the current project. So like basically assets, textures, and oops, what did I do? Oh no, what did I do? Difficulty. Wait, I deleted the oh, assets textures. Yeah, I do have to push that. Oh, SFX. Oh, that works too. Yeah, that should be. If you wait. If you actually want to make sure it still works, then what you can really do without knowing the folder hierarchy, basically having an add-ons folder, and you have basically an add-on. Basically, you're making an add-on, and for example, you call that particles, blah, and you put things inside. I think that should be the best so that we are sure we don't have any problems with paths and stuff. Integration art. I mean, the art is going to be a lot, right? Can you, like, I remember that you had some pictures about how things would look like. Can you actually put the references in like art in like here, maybe references? That would be nice when integrating because, for example, But I guess you do have the reference, right? Um, I yay! Yes. Yeah, thanks a lot. And I think I'll be going for today. Because if I start the art, I'm going to try to finish the art, but it's like such a big portion that I won't be able to. Please sleep, yeah. Let me check. 1 day, 24 hours. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. So, I think, yeah, I did want to export. Wait, what's that? I just saved something. Oh, I guess I do have the default bus layout. Oh, oh, what's the default one? -10. Fine. What about the export presets? Git diff. What are you? Oh. So now I have untrack. Oh, this is untracked. Yeah. I mean, it's fine. How long is he out for when he finally crashes chat? I won't crash. I don't sleep like that. I mean, it's alright. When I sleep, it's like when I go in the bed. I'm used to that. So let's just make a build folder. Yeah, we do need a name. Do you have a name? Your sleep schedule is almost as bad as Snow Fox. um, well, I guess right now it's yeah. But I don't know her sleep schedule, but so yeah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, Piggy Squeezy suggested some Emison. Okay, yeah. Thanks. Well, I did build that. So I guess the target is WebGL. So yes, index. I am not saving anything as a resource this time, so I don't have to enable some weird option, which is good. So this is 1.1. Well, 1.0.0. Then we have the Windows 1 potentially, so that we can potentially test multiple things. I'm going to export the debug, okay? So basically, if you have an error, you can see that through. Let me actually check that. Yeah. Let me go back into the volume. Print. Let's comment that. And that should be a lot better. So let's redo. Ooh. We have print removes plus export presets added. This is one that this is fine. This is Windows. What's that? That's fine, right? I think that's fine. Console. Yeah, that's fine. That's if you want to run with the console. Compress to zip. Okay, and this is index, and this is 1.0.0. Then we can go on music, H, my library, no, dashboard, battery, this one, edit, upload, wacky, builds, this one is WebGL, okay, upload, Windows, boom. This one is for Windows, obviously. And it's not mobile friendly. Oh, it could be. Yeah, someone actually said that it could be mobile friendly. But let's not for now. Full screen button. Yes. Automatically start. Not now. We do have to set a lot of things. And I guess I can put it in public, right? Because I want people to play. But this is a draft. This is still a... Wait, what? Where is it? Prototype, yeah. In development. Let's put it like that. Prototype. So yeah, this is published now. So you can actually download the Windows version and run the game. And by the way, yeah, you have to remove that slider. No Mac. Wait, no Mac. What did I say about? Oh yeah, no Mac. Yeah, I mean, if you want to make something for Mac, then you have to get a Mac. So, do you use Macs? Because if you have a Mac, then you can compile, I guess. But I can't do that if I don't have a Mac, I think. Yes, oh, okay. So, I guess you could try. But you need the project, and you need Git. Okay, sick. I mean, I can just give you a version of the project, so... Yes, I have Git. I tried setting it up, okay. macOS. Cannot export. I actually don't know how it's working. But yeah, I mean, even if you're on Mac, you should be able to play it in here. Holy shit. This is so bad. This is really bad. So go to WebGL sound. Weird. Audio stuttering. Increase the audio buffer length. There's no ideal audio buffer length. It depends on your client's CPU power. And related to graphics rendering. It's like very old. Without error, I can see it running through one of the breakpoints. I can't seem to find where the audio streams connects to the context inside. This is good. Oh, it's actually merged. It's actually supposed to be working already. We developed a plugin that may fix this issue. It's not a perfect solution, but it works using any kind of external. We use. Since it runs using GS, and it does not suffer stuttering, and as far as I can tell, it does not interfere with the FPS performance. We appreciate any feedback regarding the plugin. Why making it a plugin? Yeah, okay, it's go to free. So that's not good. Go to 3.2.3. Go to 4. HCL audio stuttering. Beta 4. I think it's because of the audio buffer size, right? What about audio? Buses. Why do I have so many things in audio, but it's just disappearing when I remove? Oh, Advent said. Okay, I didn't know it was hiding stuff. Yeah, also just something, Kuro. With splash. Yeah, we do potentially have the splash screen. Like something, to display. I told you it's like optional, but that's possible. And we do have, I guess we can just put the same thing as the splash screen in. Basically on h.io before you play, you have an image that we can display. But it's like alright if you do that after deadline. Whenever you try to upload a new build, can you use one of the other JSON tracks? I think you're using a test one, maybe. Oh, yeah, my bad. Can you use one of the other JSON tracks? Yeah, my bad. Same as menu art. We could do that, yeah. Well, yeah, we could get that. We could just do that. So yeah, that would be nice if we do that, actually. That's all right. So I guess what did I want to do? Yeah, the audio buffer. Sorry, I'm taking care of the audio buffer first. Can I disable? This is good. This is okay. Driver. X-rate. How can I modify that? Is that WebGL issue something I can do anything about on the audio side? I don't. Well, I mean, I'm sure you could fix that by reducing the quality, but I'm actually not even sure because it's something we had on another project too. Just really bad. I just don't know. Go for WebGL. I just stuttering. That's just lag. That's not audio. Is it? Do we have audio? We don't. Brackeys. Audio increase audio buffer size. Shrink the audio buffers. Wait, shrink or increase? Okay. Oh yeah, latency. But yeah, you have to increase it to prevent that. Yeah. So you have to increase it. Go to a recent game. Recent.
All right, hello everyone. This is
Hey.
Volker was going
Should have watched that beforehand.
talking about music games, right? We're talking about games that are supposed to be low
Engine
latency. They are
customizations.
supposed to respond very well, and this is a more technical
Okay,
game
odd.
than your usual run
Check
to
if they
game.
have been
So
matched.
I think
3 years ago.
if you're only making a
Yeah, I mean,
and choose some of the
difficulties.
things that are called score attacks, it's pretty complicated.
NVIDIA.
Deal for rhythm games which are based on latency. You need so good that in my experience playing games using Angle with Vulkan, we can predict when
I did use that. The latency
audio
target.
API, which is called Wasabi, you will have a problem, and that will be that there's a limited number of
What do you think?
with low power system. Thing is using exclusive mode, which is as the name
Go
says,
sleep on me. You can worry about it when you wake up. I mean, it's pretty important. I just want to make sure the audio is fine. Um, mm. I mean, there's nothing. Increase audio buffer. There's output latency option. Yeah, I mean, it's up to audio. Oh, output latency. Oh. Best general. What do you mean? Output latency. Okay, I found it. Yeah, never mind. I did find it. And for the web, it's like higher. Safer overrides in the web platform to avoid audio issues, especially on mobile devices. I can actually solve that. Probably. Mix rate.web. What's that? The mixing rate used for audio. In general, it's better to not touch it. What? What about that? Here, 0 means let the browser choose. Some browsers do not like forcing the mix rate. Okay, so I can try increasing that. But that would mean increasing the latency. I mean, that's fine because things are based on the music, not the reverse. What if I put 200s? Wait, what? Yeah, actually, this is the maximum. 100 is the maximum. Audio driver output latency. Yeah. So I do want to try that. Yeah, that's fine actually. I can remove because I pushed the version through Git. This is actually index. Wait, where is it? It should be around there. Okay, let's try. I mix at 48K, but it shouldn't be causing these issues. Oh, this is better. I mean, wait, this is still really loud for me. I don't have any more problems right now. I don't have any problem. It's fixed. It's fixed. Oh, if I knew it was just that. Because we did have the same problem, Afonso, for the previous game we made together, right? And now there's no problem at all. I think the only problem is performance. Yippee! Yeah. Also, alright, I guess web just isn't the best for games, so you kinda have to push the buffers and stuff. Yeah. But hell, yeah, it's working. Yeah. That's like a relief. I actually want to test if everything is working. Oh. Ah. Whoa. Yeah, I guess the settings are not working. It's not saving. Oh, because... No, never mind. I don't know. Okay. Let's get some money. Let's skip. Yeah, you still have the debug options. So, money free. I can't buy. I can't buy anymore. Everything seems to be working well. If I press escape, I can't do anything though. I'm doomed to play the game. But yeah, it's good. I can skip however I want still. I mean, that's good. And I think the frame rate is sampling rate actually can cause that because of the quality. But if we increase the buffer, that's fine. It seems. And work on the changes. Yeah. The volumes. I think the out of sync right now is just cause it's the demo track. Yeah. It looks good to me. Yeah. I think it's the demo track. Or is it? Well, yeah, it was a previous track, so yeah, don't worry about that. And also another thing is do projects.codo. Fixing WebGL audio stuttering. Yeah, actually, I haven't tried it on Windows. I haven't tried the Windows version. Let's git tag. So yeah, Alfonso, if you want to make a WebGL version, for example, to update the beats, right, and with a new track and stuff, you can just export yourself and basically just make sure to add the versioning. So like, for example, git tag 1.0.1 git push tags. But I mean, it's fine if you just let me do it, I guess. And yeah, basically after that, if we look at git logs, we can see the different versions. Just explaining for Kuro and other people, the other viewers that are not comfortable with Git. And even on GitHub, you can check the commits and okay, maybe not. Why is that? Tags. Yeah, you can see the tags here. And you actually have versions already ready for you. Just do. Okay, look into that if I have to make builds, but good call. Or should I be tagging any commits? No, not just the commits you export into itch.io. Like if it's testing in local, it's not even necessary. If you tag everything, then we're just gonna have 100 versions, and it's not really going to be useful. It's just to, be able to go back to a previous version. And for example, if someone is testing with a certain version, they can tell us what version it is, and then we can say whether in this version the bug is supposed to be fixed or not, basically. That's one of the reasons you version stuff. But yeah, that's it. So audio stuttering, oh, I'm so glad it's been fixed. Also, I actually checked about the leaderboard, and it's actually really easy. So there's this thing called Silent Wolf that is free, that is for Godot, basically. And I guess I can't access that without signing in, but you have basically one function. Well, you have a plugin, you can add it, you can put the script as a not allowed. You have a function to send the score. You have functions to register the API at the beginning of the game, and that's it. That's all. So we can have a leaderboard in less than 1 hour, I think. If necessary. I mean, 30 minutes would be enough. Stage costs. Okay, yeah, you do have to make the art and game over next time. Stage slot, yeah. Nice. Yep. Bugs, the first time you play from, no, it's not, yeah, you do have to take care. Oh, and the generation too, so like, make difficulty settings plus. I guess just difficulty settings. Next unique items. Yes, I do want that, but that's going to be difficult. This one is part actually of the items. This one is like, that would be good. That would be really good. But I'm sorry, I'm going to put it in extra. I'm going to cut things down, basically. Gamepad. Wait, what did I modify? No, this one is necessary. This one is extra. FTUE. We need some explanations. But I mean, it's a very simple rhythm game, so it's actually not that necessary. And the screen, we do that. I do want to do that. It's actually very easy, and I think it's going to add a lot. Just nice. Game feel. This is linked. Synchronize music transition with a beat. Yeah, you did ask me about that. You have a bunch of stuff on your shoulders already. I'm very okay skipping some of those that are not necessary for it to function. Yeah. Same. So for example, this one is totally an extra. I do think the leaderboard could be great because it would like add a lot of value to the game. But that's alright. Synchronize music. Yeah, you did ask me about that, and I didn't answer you. I'm sorry about that. Let's remove. So in the customer, so let's go in gameplay scene. Good. I think the game's working as it is, so it didn't seem to like a massive issue. Yeah, but like right now we're in the Polish territory, right? So I guess it's still good if it's really short to do that. So it was music transitions, right? Yeah, okay. I think one of the problems about, well, on customer enter start end. I do that. And yeah, basically when we enter start, we have a new music. That's when it's supposed to transition. And basically in here we have, am I using that? I'm not even using that. Oh. We basically have a 0.5 seconds transition, and basically one music is going to fade in 0.5 seconds, and then the next one is going to fade out in 0.5 seconds. And like there is some delay because at the start of the fading in, we actually don't hear it because it's really not loud. And what? And yeah, it seems to be like 0.5. There's a difference of 0.5 seconds probably with the beat. I think that's why it sounds a bit weird. Maybe I can try to, for example, here I can. So feel free to go to sleep. yeah, I just go. I'm just explaining quickly. I don't want to keep you up because of this. When it's largely just Polish, right after that makes sense. Well, right, that makes sense. Since the fade starts at the start of the beat, there's always a delay related to it. Actually, there might also be something else. Because start customer end. Yeah, no, there's actually another delay on top of that. Because basically you have summon. Summon leaves when, well, on a beat. Then you have to wait for the guy to leave. And then you have the guy appearing. And there's a 0.5 seconds delay at that point. Maybe I can actually enter and leave end. I can probably try to modify that if you want to remove the delay of the transition. So leave start. I can try that. Okay, tell me if you think it's better like that. Is it better? Wait, actually, I didn't pay attention. Let's go into the hardest parts. It's an old version still. It's still the old track. Sounds good right now, at least. Okay, I mean, I can try pushing that if you want. But there's still a 0.5 seconds delay, and I can try to solve that, but I'd have to test a few things, I guess. I can keep testing it to see if there's any issue related to it if you push it. Okay. I mean, there shouldn't be any issue programming-wise, I guess, but it's like when it to see if it's with the timing or not, right? So this is, and I think it's better that you have the transition happening earlier. New customer, and it gives the sensation of how do you call that? You know, the storm, basically. Customers that are not waiting for the other one to leave. Your customer now entering before the other one has to, well, has left. So yeah, that's it. And that's it. I do have a lot of tasks, but I have some tasks that are really, well, some are really long, but some should be, okay, most are really long. Thematically, I liked it too. Great. Yeah, let's raid someone, and I'm going to finish here. Yeah, you can actually bump on the Brackeys server again, almost. Oh, we have Kani. Oh, what? Why? Why, Kani? Why? That's... What are you doing, Kani? Brackeys? No, I'm the only one. Do you have anyone we can raid by any chance? Have a great slumber. Thanks. Good stream, man. Thanks. And rest well, finally. Yeah. I'll be going. Oh, this one looks funny. Doesn't have a lot of people.
Double scale or half scale. Okay.
Pixel town. Assets. He's searching for assets.
Hello there, Proxy. I am finding assets for my game.
Oh.
And moderately failing at it. So I'm like taking the sample pictures that
I mean, he seems nice.
On their, like, sale page, and I'm throwing it into my game just to see what happens.
Let's raid.
This is good luck with that. Yeah. Yeah, the size is not right here.
Yeah, that looks
like I almost
nice.
think I can cut it in half and it might actually look right. Oh, because I didn't revert the scale. Whoops.
And I like the lofi music in this stream.
Oh.
Peace, brother. Thanks. And we have...
Going up and down those stairs looks pretty good.
Okay. Let's raid. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's add this to the one of them for consideration.
I just love when people see the raid.
You're raiding me? Dude, you're awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, let me give you a follow back.
Thanks.